Discover a rare opportunity offering endless possibilities on 50 acres. It's located in a private setting with amazing views just minutes from downtown Hillsboro. Whether you envision a working farm, horse property, vineyard, or wedding venue, the grounds are well equipped with 2 homes, multiple barns, shop space, and more. With nearly 44 acres of priority irrigation water rights from the on-property Dairy Creek, the land is ready to support a wide variety of uses. Set toward the back of the property, the main residence is perfectly sited to capture sweeping views from the moment you enter. Soaring ceilings and a cozy gas fireplace anchor the living room, which opens to the gourmet kitchen. Featuring granite counters, an island with eating bar, and a gas range, it's perfect for entertaining or day-to-day living. The wraparound deck takes full advantage of the breathtaking countryside with views in every direction, including native habitat and fertile fields. You can also unwind in the main level primary suite and wake up to tranquil views. The lower level offers a complete second living space with its own entrance and kitchen, ideal for multi-generational living or guests. Outdoors, a barrel sauna with flagstone terrace provides a relaxing retreat by the tree line. A second residence offers 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, an excellent option for extended family or caretaker housing. This property is fully equipped for agricultural or equestrian use, with several barns, corrals, and storage buildings. A massive barn, complete with office space, can hold up to 750 tons of hay, complemented by a spacious hay shed. The Quonset hut, with its concrete floor and oversized glass sectional door, provides excellent storage or workshop space. There is also a dedicated RV or tiny home hookup with power and septic, perfect for guests, staff, or seasonal use. With its prime location, water rights, 2 homes, and extensive facilities, this property is ready to bring your vision to life. Discover 50 acres of opportunity in the heart of Hillsboro. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.